Hello, my name is Musu, and today I'm going to be sharing with you my homemade fruit cocktail recipe. During the year, when there's an abundance of fruits and the prices are reasonable, I buy a lot of fruits and just go on and make my fruit juices, my fruit cocktails, my jellies and jams, whatever I can use those fruits to make, I go ahead and make them. First of all, it's healthier. Secondly, it saves me a lot of money. So today I'm going to show you the ingredients that will go into making this fruit juice, this fruit cocktail. Again, you can use a combination of fruits that you like, but just for the purpose of this video, we're going to be using some green grapes, apple, an orange, and a mango. I will also add a little bit of homemade lemon juice to this recipe. I like to put my lemon juice in almost all of the fruit cocktails and juices that I make. I'm going to use a 3-cup mason jar for this recipe, and I will also have some boiling water to use in this recipe. So stay tuned. When I come back, we'll be making the juice, the fruit cocktail together. Already going ahead and and cut the apples up. So what I'm going to do is remove the seeds and peel the apples. I've plucked the grapes and I'm just about peeling the orange. So we're going to peel this orange. And after we peel this orange, we're actually going to pluck the orange like into small pieces, because we're going to put them in a jar, not whole, but in small, tiny pieces. So this white part on the orange, I'm going to take out. Now, I usually don't trash my orange rind. I use it to do other things, and that will be another video for another time. The next thing I'm going to do is peel this mango and then remove the seeds and the skin from the apple. Also, my mango peel, I don't trash because I have other uses for my mango peel. And as I mentioned to you, almost every fruit that I use, every part of that fruit is basically important to some recipe that I may be making in the future. Whether it is to make some type of juice or something else, I always keep them. I always have some idea for making something else. I mean, these fruits are like the bounty of the earth. Food in general, it's like the bounty of the earth. So if you can use almost every part of the fruit in any way that you want, that you think is going to be very helpful and useful or edible, go ahead and do it. You know, as long as it benefits you in some way, I say go for it. So now that we've peeled the mangoes, the next thing I'm going to do is remove the seeds from the apple. I'm going to remove the seeds from the apple and remove the skin and chop the apples into pieces. So when I come back, I will show you what I've done with slicing the mango off the stone, cutting up the rest of the fruits, and how we're going to put everything into the jar and get it ready and get everything ready to make our fruit cocktail. As you can see, I've already cut up all of the fruits. Everything is cut up into small pieces. What we are going to do next is put the fruits into the jar. I have a spare jar just in case we have a lot more fruit that can go into this jar. So let's get started. So there's no real method to how you're going to put the fruits in the jar. It's up to you whether you want to line them in a certain way but I just grab fruits with my hand and put them in a jar. And I'm going to tell you how far you should let the fruit stop so that when you add water, you can have enough space left and not too much fruit. Because one thing I also want to tell you is that the beauty of making this is you can actually drink the juice that's going to result from this fruit cocktail. That's what I do because it is so delicious. I mean, you know, you don't want to. So I think we're going to be fine. We're just going to put all of it in here. I'm telling you, this is so wonderful. This is so wonderful. I mean, when you make it, for me, I just don't like the store-bought fruit cocktail anymore, just because I can make my own fruit cocktail. So once we've done this, we're going to add the water on here. I'm going to heat the water up a little more, and I will come back to show you how we're going to pour the water and how we're going to complete this process. So stick with me. So we're back. Now we're going to take this cup of water. I don't measure, I just eyeball everything. But before that, we're going to pour the lemon juice into this jar with the fruits. And then we're going to pour this water, this very hot water, fresh from boiling off the stove. Beautiful right there. Now, you want to put enough water that's going to come up to the neck of the bottle. You don't want to pour it all the way to the top. Your water is going to stop right at the neck of the bottle. Once you have that amount of water, you're going to close up your jar and give it a few flips. Give your jar a few flips because you want everything to kind of combine, you know. You want to give your jar a few flips. There you have it. So this is you're going to allow this to cool. Once it cools, you can store it in your refrigerator. Mine lasts sometimes unopened. I can keep my fruits for up to 3 weeks, up to a month in the refrigerator, as long as I don't have it open. But once I open my fruit, my jar, I usually store it, depending on how fast it's going to go, for about a couple of days or 3 days, you know, because it won't last. I'm telling you, it won't last. Your family is going to love it. So that's it for me. And I hope you enjoy watching this video. And you can go now and make your own fruit cocktails. I will be coming back to you with more videos about how to make your own homemade fruit juices and more things that you can do with fruit at home. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my video, and you can also hit that notification button so whenever I'm on with new recipes, you will be alerted immediately. Have a wonderful day.